Hello viewers. In this session, I will discuss about routing and types of routing. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Routing. There are three types of routing: static routing, dynamic routing, and default routing. Um, uh, in static routing, we manually give the routing uh, to each router, and in dynamic routing, um, after configuring a router, when we use the routing protocols like RIP and RIP version 2 or uh, the OSPF, each router they automatically determines the route, and in default routing, when there's no routing specified, it automatically uses the default route. Now let's see the difference between the static and the dynamic routing. Static routing. So as it is told before, static routing is simple to configure. It is better for small networks, and there are no automatic updates for each router as we manually configure it. Now for the dynamic routing, um, i- it um, it automatically updates the routes. It is better for large networks, and it uses the routing protocols. So key protocols are RIP, OSPF, EIGRP, and BGP. Now let's see about RIP. RIP is one of the oldest distance vector protocols. Uh, it uses hop count to measure the distance between each router. The maximum hop count is 15. Uh, it is simple, but it is not used for large networks. Now let's see another routing protocol, which is OSPF. OSPF uses link state routing protocol. It uses Dijkstra's algorithm to calculate shortest path. It is fast, convergence, and scalable. Thank you.